Welcome to Stocks.Mahath Channel, where we unravel the mysteries of finance and empower you on your journey to financial freedom. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on the minds of many aspiring investors: unlocking investment opportunities, a comprehensive guide to investing in the US market from India. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your investment horizons, this video is your go-to resource for understanding the what, why, and how of investing in the US market. So, grab your notepads, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. What is investing? Investing is like planting seeds for your financial future. It's a strategy to make your money grow over time. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you put it to work by buying assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate. These assets have the potential to increase in value, providing you with returns on your investment. Why invest in the US market? Global giants. The US is home to some of the world's largest and most successful companies, like Apple, Google, and Amazon. By investing in these global giants, you become a shareholder, sharing in their success and potential profits. Diversification. Investing in the US market allows you to diversify your investment portfolio. Diversification means spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. If one sector or market faces challenges, your entire investment portfolio won't be affected. Innovation hub. The US is a hub of innovation and technological advancements. Many cutting-edge companies and startups originate here. Investing in the US gives you the opportunity to be part of the growth of innovative industries. How to invest? Choose your path. Decide on the type of investment that suits your goals. Common options include stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Understand the risk and return associated with each investment type. Brokerage account. To invest in the US market, you need a brokerage account. Choose a reliable online brokerage platform that facilitates international investments. Complete the account setup, providing necessary documents and personal information. Pros of investing in the US market. High returns. Historically, the US market has shown the potential for high returns on investments. Successful companies contribute to the overall growth of the market. Diverse options. The US market offers a wide range of investment options, from tech stocks to healthcare companies. This diversity allows you to tailor your investments to your preferences and risk tolerance. Cons of investing in the US market. Risk. Investments are subject to market fluctuations. Prices of stocks can go up or down based on various factors. Understand and be prepared for the inherent risks associated with investing. Research needed. Successful investing requires research. Understand the companies or funds you invest in. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators. Tax procedure. Understand tax rules. Indian investors in the US may be subject to both US and Indian tax regulations. Familiarize yourself with the tax implications of international investments. File properly. Ensure you file the necessary tax forms, such as the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act (FATCA) form. Seek professional advice to navigate the complexities of international taxation. Returns. Potential for growth. The US market has a history of providing significant returns over the long term. Patient investors may benefit from the compounding growth of their investments. Market fluctuations. Markets go through ups and downs. Be mentally prepared for short-term fluctuations. Focus on your long-term investment goals and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Conclusion. Investing in the US market from India is an exciting opportunity, but it requires careful consideration and understanding. By educating yourself on the fundamentals and staying informed, you can embark on a rewarding journey toward financial growth and stability. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to investing in the US market from India. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to kickstart your investment journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow investors, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment down below. Remember, the key to successful investing is knowledge and informed decision-making. Thank you for tuning into Stocks.Mahath Channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy investing!